Good morning, afternoon, or evening, scholars. Miss Kitamura here again. So I actually went to the store again recently, and guess what I bought? That's a good guess. I actually bought a huge bag of apples. So I was thinking maybe I should make some pie, but then I don't know, I was just getting a little bit lazy and I didn't end up wanting to make all the pies yet. So I just decided I want to cut them all up and serve them to my family as apple slices. Raise your hand if you like eating apple slices. Awesome. So do I. So they are super good for you, and that's why I wanted to give them to all my family members. So with all of those apples, I cut up 72 apple slices. Say, whoa. But now, I'm not sure if I cut too many apple slices for my family or not enough for my family. I know that I can fit 11 apple slices on each plate, so I was wondering, how many plates can I put those apple slices on? You think that you can help me figure it out? Really? All right, track the board. All right, my friends, let's see if you can see this. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer so it's a little bit easier to read. So I cut 72 apple slices. If I put 11 slices on each plate, how many plates can I put apple slices on? I'm going to read it one more time, one more. I cut 72 apple slices. If I put 11 slices on each plate, how many plates can I put apple slices on? Now, scholars, go ahead and show me with your hands. Do you think that I can put those apple slices on more than 72 plates or less than 72 plates? What do you think? Can I put it on, can I put all my 72 apple slices on more than 11, can I put all my 72 apple slices on more than 72 plates or less than 72 plates? What do you think? Oh, okay. All right, my friends. Well, now that we've given our estimate, if it's going to be greater than or less than, that means now we have to solve it. We have to? Perfect. So I need you to get 3 things today, if you can. The first 2 things I want you to get are your paper and your pencil. Remember, we always do math with a pencil because if we make mistakes, it's really easy to erase. When we write with pen, sometimes it gets way too messy and we get really tricked. So make sure you grab a pencil. Got it? So you have your pencil and your paper. Now, guys, if you have anything in your house that you can count with, I want you to get it out, all right? So I actually have an awesome basket of base 10 cubes that I can use for my 10 sticks and my ones and even my hundreds if I ever need them. Or I can use my CGI cubes that are also in 10 sticks. Or I could use Legos, I could use goldfish, I could use M&Ms. I know maybe we just got some Easter candy, maybe we could use jelly beans. All right. So anything that you can use to count with, I want you to get that out so you can help look at the problem that you're doing. Now, if you don't have anything to count with, you know the drill. You can always draw your 10 sticks and your ones out. But I really encourage you to get something to help you see what you're doing. Got it? All right. So now that you've got all your materials, we're going to go over once again the things that we're looking for on your CGI paper. Remember, even though that we're at home, I still want to see these things on your paper because I'm so excited about all the hard work that you guys have put in this year, and I want to see it come to life on your CGI papers. So remember, looking for those 4 things. The first one is your work. And you know the drill, my friends. I want to see all that super scholar thinking. I know that we've been working really hard on it this year to make sure that we're writing down all of the things that help us solve the answer, not just the right things. Even if you try to solve something and you say, I don't think that works, still write it down. Don't erase it. Maybe just cross it out and say, that didn't work. because those things, even though that they were mistakes, helped you get to your answer. And they really help the people around you understand your solution. So remember, write down all of your super scholar thinking on your work. Number 2, I want to see your answer. Your perfect. So your answer, today we're talking about how many plates. How many? How many? So your answer should be plates. Perfect. I can't wait to see you write down that unit next to your answer number. That really tells me that you understand what this problem is about and helps connect your work and your answer. Now I'm looking for your number sentence to match your work. Remember that this is matching what you're doing here, not necessarily what's happening in the story, but how you got to your answer. I want to see that number sentence that matches your work. And lastly, I want to see the number sentence that matches the story. So your number sentence that matches the story doesn't always look like the number sentence that matches your work, but it should match the story up here. Got it? I know that we haven't done this together if you're at Maryville or together with your second grade teachers at Hadley in a while because we've been out of school for a little bit, but I know that you remember how to write down these number sentences, and I truly cannot wait to see what you come up with. All right, friends, are you ready? Good luck.